Introduction. When you think about it, the world of insurance is as much about people as it is about policies. That's why effective marketing matters so much for insurance agents, especially in a dynamic place like New York. Marketing isn't just about putting yourself out there, it's about connecting with people who need your help. The right strategies can make a huge difference, helping you attract clients and grow your business in meaningful ways. New York is a lively place with tons of opportunities, but also a lot of competition. With so many choices, clients need a good reason to pick you. Smart marketing helps you stand out by making your services relevant and valuable to potential clients. By focusing on what clients need and finding ways to meet those needs, you can create stronger connections and drive business growth. Understanding your target audience. Before you can meet your clients' needs, you first have to understand who they are. Knowing your audience is like having a roadmap. It guides you in making decisions that resonate with the people you want to serve. Start by thinking about who your typical clients are. Are they young families, older individuals planning retirement, or maybe small business owners in New York? Each group will have different needs and concerns. To get to know your audience better, consider these practical steps. Research demographics. Find out age groups, income levels, and interests common among your clients. 2. Analyze client preferences. Observe what types of insurance are most popular and what questions clients frequently ask. 3. Conduct surveys. Use simple surveys to gather opinions and feedback from clients about their needs and expectations. Crafting messages that speak directly to your audience can only happen when you truly know them. Once you have a clearer picture of your potential clients, you can tailor your marketing strategies to address their specific needs. For example, if you're targeting young families, you might focus on the importance of life insurance and savings plans for future security. On the other hand, older clients might be more interested in health coverage and retirement policies. Building this deeper understanding of your clients helps you offer personalized advice that really matters to them. Ultimately, it makes your marketing more effective and strengthens your relationships with those you serve. Building a strong online presence. In our tech-driven times, a strong online presence is more than just a luxury, it's a necessity. Think of your website as a virtual storefront. It's often the first interaction potential clients have with your service, so making a good impression is crucial. A well-designed, user-friendly website sets the tone for your professionalism. It should clearly outline your services, provide easy navigation, and have contact information. Social media platforms also play a critical role in reaching and engaging clients. They're like the town square where everyone gathers to talk and share. Regularly posting useful content, engaging with followers, and responding to inquiries quickly can significantly boost your visibility. Keep your branding consistent across all platforms to reinforce who you are and what you stand for. This builds trust and makes your business more recognizable. Here are some quick tips to enhance your online presence. Use high-quality images and informative videos on your site and social media. Blog regularly about topics that matter to your audience. Ensure your contact forms are simple and easy to use. Optimize for mobile as many users access sites via smartphones. Leveraging local SEO. Local SEO is an absolute game changer for insurance agents in New York. It helps your potential clients find you fast and efficiently. When someone searches for insurance services nearby, you want to be at the top of the list. Optimizing your content for local searches ensures that people searching for services like yours see your business first. One practical way to boost your local SEO is by claiming and optimizing your Google business profile. This free tool allows you to manage how your business appears on Google Search and Maps, making it easier for clients to find and contact you. Be sure to fill out all the details accurately and encourage clients to leave positive reviews. Consistent and relevant reviews improve your credibility and establish trust. Incorporate these local SEO strategies. Use location-specific keywords in your content. Get listed in local online directories. Engage with local social media groups and forums. Host or sponsor local events to boost your presence and visibility. Effective networking and referrals. Building relationships within your community is a powerful way to grow your client base. Networking can open doors to opportunities you might not have considered before. Attending local events, joining professional organizations, and being active in community activities help put you on the map. Creating a referral program is another effective strategy. Encourage your satisfied clients to recommend your services to others. A simple gesture of appreciation, like a thank you note or a small discount, can incentivize them to spread the word about your excellent service. Here's how to maximize networking and referral benefits. Attend local meetups and forums related to the insurance industry. Collaborate with businesses that complement your services. Create an easy-to-share referral card or link. Stay active in community projects and charitable events. The path to sustainable growth. Continuing to engage with these strategies allows you to build foundations that promise not only immediate returns but long-term growth as well. By regularly updating content, staying informed on the latest trends, and keeping a finger on the pulse of client needs, you'd be prepared for both current opportunities and future shifts in the market. Whether it's adapting to technology or understanding the evolving needs of clients, you're in a position to remain relevant and indispensable. Each step taken in enhancing your marketing efforts solidifies your standing in the community, encouraging trust and building lasting relationships. New York's dynamic environment presents both challenges and immense possibilities, and with the right approach, you can navigate successfully and achieve sustainable growth. To continue thriving as an insurance professional in New York, consider tapping into what a dedicated insurance marketing company can offer. By partnering with experts like Ask 8, you'll gain insights into specialized strategies that perfectly match the needs of local clients, explore more on how tailored approaches can transform your business, and keep your agency at the forefront. Why subscribe? Let's cut to the chase. This newsletter is designed to make your life easier, your marketing more effective, and your business more profitable. I'm not just giving you tips from a distance, I'm living it. As a realtor, marketing expert, and consultant, I feel your pain because I've been in your shoes, and now I'm here to help you win. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for Ask 8 Strategies, Ask Auggie Smarts, and let's turn those leads into clients, simplify your marketing, and give your business the boost it deserves. Plus, I promise I'll keep it fun. No boring corporate stuff, just real talk, real strategies, and maybe even a dad joke or two. Lastly, you will always see me sign off with the same statement, which is at the core of who I am. Subscribe. A man's worth is not measured in the numbers in his bank account, but in the number of people that call him a friend. All the best to your success.